Hi children, good morning. Welcome back. I am Ritika, your computer science teacher. I hope all of you are very happy and safe and you are studying well also. So today I am here to revise all the areas that you learned in the first lesson. Meet Nano and his machines. And you met lot of machines in this lesson. And not only that, in your home also different machines are there. So now you know the uses of all that machines, right? So different symbol patterns will ask in this exam. So introducing such patterns I am today. Okay children, don't be panic, don't be worried. These questions may have according to your age level. Very simple. Okay, but you want to watch this class, don't skip it. Okay, let's revise. Here we go. Hello children, now let you see some machines. Okay, so what is this children? This is a car. Okay, car help us to travel. This is a car. Car help us to travel. Car help us to travel. Car take us to different places. And children, which kind of power these machines need to work? This machine need fuel to work. Okay, these machines need which kind of power children? Fuel to work. So instead of write this fuel full spelling, you should have to write F only. Clear? And the next machine. Next one, tell me what it is. It's a television. Okay, Television, television. And these machines help us to watch movies, cartoons, news, sports, etc. And these machines need which kind of power children? These machines need electricity to work. So this machine need what children? Electricity to work. This machine need electricity to work. Electricity. So instead of write this full spelling, you have to write the letter E. So such a pattern of question may ask. That means classify the machines and find out which kind of power these machines need. So you have to identify the machines and recognize the machines and identify which kind of power these machines are using. Okay, in this case here is the televisions use which kind of power? Electricity. So instead of write the all spelling, you should have to write the first letter E here. Okay, so moving to the next picture. What is it children? This is a food processor. We can say it as mixer grinder also. Okay, food processor. And these machines help us to grind. Okay, this machine help us to grind. And this machine also need which kind of power? Electricity. These machines also need electricity to work. So instead of write the full spelling, you have to write the first letter E. Okay, this is a food processor and this machine help us to grind. And these machines need electricity to work. Okay children, and next one. Okay, look at here, what is it? It's a sewing machine. Okay, what is it? It's a sewing machine and these machines need what? Sewing machine. And what is it used children? This machine help us to stitch, S-T-I-T-C-H, stitch clothes. This machine help us to stitch clothes. And these machines need manpower to work. Okay, what is this? This is a sewing machine and these machines help us to stitch our clothes and these machines need manpower to work. Okay, So this is a sewing machines, and this machines help us to stitch our clothes, and these machines need a manpower to work. So instead of write manpower, you have to write the letter M. Okay, moving to the next picture. Look at here, what is it? It's a bicycle. Okay, bicycle. And these machines also help us to travel. Eh? Then these machines need which kind of power? Manpower. These machines need manpower to work. Like sewing machine, these machines also need what, children? Manpower to work. So first letter M. Okay, what is this? This is a bicycle, and this machine help us to travel, and these machines need a manpower to work. Now the next one. This is an iron box. What is this? An iron box. Iron box. Iron box. Iron box help us to iron our clothes, and these machines also need electricity to work. Electricity to work. Okay. So iron box help us to iron our clothes, and these machines need electricity to work. Okay. Next one. Okay, look here, what is this? This is a ship. S-H-H-I-P, ship. S-H-I-P, ship. And these machines help us to travel. And these machines need which kind of power? Which kind of power, children? These machines help us to travel, and these machines need a fuel to work. So instead of F-U-E-L, you have to write what? F, the first letter F. So this is a ship, and these machines help us to travel, and the machines need fuel to work. Okay, next one. So what is this? This is a bus. And these machines also help us to travel, and these machines need fuel to work. Okay, so these machines need what, children? Fuel to work. You know all these things, but I am revising once again. Okay, so now look this picture. What is this? This is a calculator. Calculator. And this calculator help us to does sums. Okay, calculators are helping us to do sums. This calculator help us to does sums. Okay, and this calculator, what is the use of this machine, children? These machines help us to does sum. What is this? This is a calculator. Okay, so you want to study the uses also. Moving to the next picture. Okay, what is it? It's a train. T-R-A-I-N, train. And these machines help us to travel. Help us to travel. And these machines also need some power to do its work. Which power? Which kind of power these machines need? Okay, this machine also need a fuel to work. You learned that all the vehicles need fuel to work, isn't it? So train is a machine, and train help us to travel, and these machines use fuel to work. Okay, children. And next one. What is this? Okay, what is this? Yes, tell me, what is this? Is refrigerator. Refrigerator, otherwise we can say that fridge, isn't it? And refrigerator help us to keep the food items fresh, and we can get the food items, make it cool also. We can make the food items cool also. Cool drinks, cool foods, that also we can make by using this refrigerator. So initially we can say that it's keep the food items fresh. Okay, the refrigerator. And these machines need which kind of power? Electricity. Electricity. This machine also need what, children? Electricity to work. Okay, So refrigerator also need electricity to work. And moving to the next one. Okay, what is this? This, yes, you know it well. Washing machine. Washing machine. And washing machine help us to wash clothes. Washing machine helps to wash clothes. And these washing machines need which kind of power, children? Yes, electricity. Electricity. So instead of write the full spelling, you should have to write the first letter E. Okay. So this is a washing machine. This is a washing machine, and this machine help us to wash our clothes, and these machines need electricity to work. Okay. So moving to the next picture. So what is this? What is this? It's a computer. Okay, it's a computer. And computer is a smart machine. Computer is a smart machine. Okay, and computer is a smart machine, and you also learned that this machine has 4 main parts. How many main parts this machine has? 4 main parts. CPU is there, monitor is there, keyboard, and also mouse. So how many main parts this machine has? 4 main parts. Okay, computer is a dash machine. What is the answer? Computer is a smart, S-M-A-R-T, smart machine. And these machines also need what? Electricity. Electricity. These machines also need what, children? These machines also need electricity to run. Okay. Electricity. And who invented these machines? These machines was invented by Charles Babbage. This machine was invented by Charles Babbage. Okay, who is known as the father of this machine computer? Charles Babbage, because this machine's computer was invented by Charles Babbage. So did you hear about this one vegetable, cabbage? Okay, okay, here it is not cabbage, Babbage, Charles Babbage. Okay, Charles Babbage invented what, children? Charles Babbage invented this wonderful machine's computer. Okay, Charles Babbage. So once again I am writing Charles Babbage. B-A-B-B-A-G, Babbage. Okay, a computer has 4 main parts, and it is a smart machine. It needs electricity to run, and this machine was invented by Charles Babbage. Okay. And next one. Okay, what is this? This is an aeroplane. This is an aeroplane. And aeroplanes need what? Fuel to work. Aeroplane need fuel to work, and this help us to travel in air. This machine help us to travel in air. Okay, children? Okay, now I will show you on different pattern. Okay, match the following. Okay, this is the match the following pattern. Look at here, match the following. This is the one type of question, match the following. So left side you can see some pictures, and right side the uses are also written there. Okay, you want to match the picture with that uses. First picture, mobile phone and computer, then washing machine, and next one is car. Okay, and the uses are to wash clothes, to travel, to make calls, to draw pictures. So mobile phone. Mobile phone. What is the use of this mobile phone, children? Mobile phone, yeah, telephone. What is the use? To make calls. Okay, okay. To make calls. So instead of draw the line, you have to write the alphabet C in this box. Okay. So alphabet C to make calls. So mobile phone is used to make calls. So here you can write letter C. And the next one, computer. So computer, is it matched with to wash clothes? Do we use computer to wash clothes? No. To travel? No. So computer to draw pictures. What is the use of a computer? We can draw pictures in this computer. So you should write this alphabet D here. Okay. The next one is washing machine. So it is very um, known by all of you. Washing machine. What is the use of these machines? You studied it also, to wash clothes. Okay. So letter alphabet A you have to write here in this box. To wash clothes. And the last one is car. Car help us to travel. So which alphabet you have to write? B. To travel. Car help us to travel. So mobile phone to make calls. Computer to draw pictures. Washing machine to wash clothes. Car to travel. And in your text also this kind of one pattern is there. So that also we can discuss. So look here. Here you can see left side car, telephone, camera, music system, then music system, then calculator and microwave oven. Okay. So in the right side you can see play music, does some, heat foods, take you to places, make phone calls and last take pictures. Okay. So car is matched with which sentence here children? Car help us to takes you to places. Car help us to travel. So takes you to places. So letter D you want to write here. Okay. And next one is telephone. Telephone help us to make phone calls. Telephone help us to make phone calls. And the third one is camera. Camera help us to take pictures. Okay, camera help us to take pictures. And music system help us to play music. So music system help us to play music. And the next one, calculator help us to does sums. Calculator help us to does sums. And the next last one, microwave oven help us to heat food. Okay. So these are the match the following given in your text. Okay children. Now we can discuss some more pattern. Okay. Let me show you the different patterns. Before that we can revise once again that all the points that mentioned here now. The fridge keeps the food fresh. What is the use of this fridge? Keeps the food fresh. And which kind of power these machines need? Fridge need electricity. Okay, fridge need what children? Electricity. Fridge need electricity. So instead of write the full spelling, I wrote it here E, letter E. Okay, next one, television. Television help us to watch movies and cartoons. Okay, television help us to watch movies and cartoons. And this television, these machines also need electricity to work. So first letter E. Okay, third one, food processor. Food processor already we met. That picture also you saw. So food processor help us to grind. And these machines also need which kind of power children? Electricity. So I write electric E here. Okay. And fourth one, washing machine. Washing machine help us to wash clothes. And washing machines also need electricity to work. And fifth one, music system. Music system help us to play music. And that also need electricity. But some kind of power need all these machines to run. Okay. So sixth one, aeroplane. Aeroplane help us to travel in air. And aeroplane is a vehicle and this vehicle need fuel to work. So instead of write F-U-E-L, I write it F. The first letter F here. Okay. Which letter I wrote it here? F. Okay. Seventh one, sewing machine. Sewing machines help us to stitch our clothes. And you know that these machines also need manpower to work. These machines need a manpower, just like bicycle, sharpener, stapler, idiyappam maker, rubber roller machines. all these machines need a manpower to work. So manpower, the first letter M. Okay, and eighth one, car. Eighth one is car. Car take you to places. Car help us to travel. Otherwise we can say car takes you to places. And car is a vehicle, and these vehicles need what, children? Yes, fuel to work. Okay, next one, telephone. Telephone make phone calls. Okay, now you tell me which kind of power this telephone need. Okay, telephone is also need electricity. Okay, and microwave oven. Microwave oven is an electronic device. Okay, that means microwave oven help us to heat food, and these machines also need electricity to work. Okay, microwave oven also need what, children? Electricity to work. Clear? Now the next pattern. So fill in the blanks. Okay, fill in the blanks. Okay, all these questions I already gave. So first question, machines are made by dash. Machines are made by dash. Machines are made by people. P-E-O-P-L-E. Or you can write men. M-E-N. So you can write either people or men. Machines, all the machines are man-made things. So machines are made by men or people. And the next question, machines make our work easier, faster, and dash. Machines make our work easier, faster, and okay, better. B-E-T-T-E-R. Better. Machines make our work easier, faster, and better. And the next question, dash is known as the father of computer. Dash is known as father of computer. So what is the answer, children? Yes, you are saying Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage. Who is known as the father of computer? Charles Babbage. Okay, next question. The computer is a dash machine. The computer is a dash machine. So what is the answer? Sorry, Charles, here some mistake is there. Charles Babbage. Okay, the computer is a dash machine. The computer is a smart machine. Wonderful. The computer is a smart machine. The computer is a smart machine. And fifth one, a computer has dash main parts. How many main parts a computer has, children? A computer has 4 main parts. F-O-U-R. 4 main parts. Okay, a computer has 4 main parts. So these are the fill in the blanks. Okay, now moving to the next section. Choose the correct answer. So what is the next pattern? Choose the correct answer. All the machines are dash. The first question, all the machines are dash. So the options are man-made thing and natural thing. So all the machines are made by men. So machines are man-made things. So this is the right answer. Okay, all the machines are man-made thing. And next one, machines are dash in working. Machines are dash in working. The options, slow or fast. Machines are fast in working. Very good. Machines are fast in working. And next one, you have to say the answer. Okay, children? Computer works using dash. Computer works using dash. Options, manpower, fuel, or electricity. Tell me, computer works using electricity. Okay, computer works using electricity. And the next one, ship needs dash to work. Ship needs dash to work. So options, electricity, fuel, manpower. What is the answer? Yes, fuel. Very good, children. Good going. Fuel. And the next one, sewing machine. Okay, next one, sewing machines works using dash. Sewing machine works using dash. Fuel, manpower or electricity. Sewing machine help us to stitch our clothes. Sewing machines need which kind of power? Right, manpower. Sewing machines need manpower to work. And the last question. Okay, what is the last question? Name the machine that help us to heat food. Name the machine that help us to heat food. Is it iron box? Yeah, microwave oven or calculator. Heat food. Iron box help us to iron our clothes, not help us to heat our food, isn't it? So which machine help us to heat food? Microwave oven. Very good. Microwave oven help us to heat our food. Okay, children. These are the different patterns. Okay, fill in the blanks may be there. Choose the correct answer. Then classify the machines and write down the classify the machines and write down whether that machines is used fuel, electricity or manpower. That also you want to write. Okay, children. So no need to write the full spelling. You should have to write the first letter of each. Instructions are given in the questions. Okay, so all the very best. Do it well, study well and score 10 out of 10. Okay, children, all the best.